Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm All-Star, otherwise known as the Old Man of the Mountain. I'm sorry for the delay of the video, but I was very ill last week. And not COVID, though the scare could have brought some of you to that conclusion. No, I just had a very terrible stomach flu, which caught me off guard. But I'm sorry for the late upload, and hope you enjoyed the video. As you saw in the title, it is shotgun. It is skeet shooting. So in the video, you'll see me using a shotgun. In the video, I'm using an Ithaca Featherlight, which is an older pump-action shotgun. And I'm using it to shoot clays in the air at my local gun club. So, hope you enjoy the video. Alright. Well, my friends, it's about time I end my video. So if you liked the video, like it. If you disliked it, comment why. If you enjoyed my channel, enjoy what I do, you're welcome to subscribe, like I say. There's no harm. So long, farewell. We'll be the same man Fridays. Good night.